Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting physics lesson. Today, let's look at a fascinating question about how electricity travels from a power station all the way to our homes. Are you ready? First, take a careful look at this beautiful illustration on your screen. It represents a massive power station, the place where the electricity we use every day is actually born. Now, here is our main question. What is the specific voltage at which electricity is generated in power stations in our country? Let's check the given options. Could it be option A, 230 volts, which is what we use in our houses? Or maybe option B, 230 kilovolts, a very high voltage? What about option C, just 11 volts? Or finally, option D, 11 kilovolts. Take a guess. Which of these do you think is correct? Let's find out the science behind it. To find the right answer, we need to understand the journey of electricity and the rules of power transmission. Let's analyze it together. Look at the diagram again. Here we have our power station and the long transmission lines connecting it to the city. Electricity is generated in power stations at a standard voltage of 11 kilovolts. A step-up transformer at the power station then increases this to 220 kilovolts or 110 kilovolts for transmission. Let's look at step 1. The role of transformers. Why do we step up the voltage? According to the principle, Vp into Ip equals Vs into Is. This means, increasing the voltage decreases the current. By reducing the current, we minimize the heat loss that occurs during long-distance transmission. This is exactly why 11 kilovolts is stepped up. Next, how does this high-voltage electricity safely reach our homes? High-voltage transmission lines carry this electricity to distribution transformers, which safely step it down for home appliances. Let's quickly summarize the journey of electricity. Generation voltage is 11 kilovolts. Transmission voltage is 220 kilovolts. And domestic voltage is 230 volts. Therefore, the generation voltage is 11 kilovolts. So, let's mark option D as our correct answer. You did a great job following along. I hope the concept is crystal clear now. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and happy learning.